Landscaping projects can add visual interest to your home, but they may not add up to extra dollars when you go to sell your house in the end. I'm Mary Burris with Lismore & Associates, and in this video, I explore the cost versus joy factor of many outdoor improvement projects. Upgrading your outdoor space can be costly, so if you're planning on selling your home in the next 5 years, you might want to consider the cost versus joy factor. What is the cost versus joy factor, you say? You see, you'll get your money back or even make your home more desirable to buyers, resulting in a profit on your investment on some remodeling projects, but not so much on others. But you might really get a lot of enjoyment out of an upgrade that doesn't get a high return on the money you spent. Let's take a look at how some projects that are likely to make you money versus some that are not, and compare the fun factor to show you how to decide what is right for you and yours. Here's a chart provided by the National Association of Realtors. Please note, this is for the state of Virginia and statistics may vary in other parts of the country. Something that gets a high return on investment is standard lawn care service, which, depending on who you hire, can cost anywhere from $200 to $550 per month or more, depending on the size of your yard and the services you choose. The return on your investment is usually high when it comes time to sell, 200%, which is awesome. Investing that money keeps your yard looking fabulous, but if that is not a priority for you, the joy factor may be kind of low. You have to do your own comparison. A real-life example of this is the sale of my mother's home. She paid for lawn care and landscape maintenance for years, and it helped me to sell her home for top dollar. She liked having a nice yard, but she rarely used it. So the return on her investment was high, but the joy factor was so-so. Make sense? On the flip side, you might have always wanted a pool to cool you in the long, hot summers of Central Virginia. The joy factor could be really high for you, as it was for my family when I lived in a house with a pool. We used it almost every day in the warmer months and didn't have to wait for Memorial Day to open it or close it up on Labor Day like most community or club pools. Like the statistics show on the provided graph, our joy factor was 10 out of 10. However, many people will not buy homes with pools because of the maintenance costs or fear that someone will drown. So the return on investment is the lowest of all outdoor remodel projects at 50%. Would I have a pool at my private residence again? You bet. The joy factor far outweighs the low return on investment for me. If you would like a downloadable copy of this chart, email me at maryburris@lismore.com and use it as a guide to your own cost versus joy comparison for your next outdoor space redo. And if you or someone you know is in the market to buy or sell a home, reach out to me at maryburris@lismore.com. I would love to help you find your home. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, go to YouTube RVA Insider.